Hey, what's up, everyone? Thank you so much for tuning in to watch Life's Magical Journey. I'm Life, and this is the safest space for us to learn, grow, and share our experiences when it comes to our spiritual journey and our spiritual practices. So, as you're watching this video, I want you to consider doing just that. Go ahead and leave your thoughts and experiences down in the comments. I am in an amazing mood today. I hope you are too. You deserve it. Before we get into the video, I just want to say thank you to everyone who's gone over to my meditation channel, listened to the videos, watched the videos, used the meditations, and sent me feedback. I am so grateful. It does not go unnoticed. If you haven't made it over there, then I want to invite you to join me over there. I will leave the link in the description and down in the comments. So in today's video, we are talking about birds before land. What does that saying even mean? If you've never heard it before, you definitely want to stay tuned. If you've heard it but don't know what it means, I'm going to explain it to you. And if you've ever felt a bit of jealousy when you see other people manifesting things that you would like to manifest into your life, then you definitely want to stay tuned. This is something that hits home for me because this is something that over the last year and a half, 2 years, I've just been able to really understand and get over. I struggled with jealousy early on in my life. If other people would find success at things, I would think, why can't I find success? Why can't I be rich? Why didn't I have rich parents? Why didn't I this? Why this and why that? Why do they? What's special about them? And so I did struggle with that early on in my life. And so I feel like this is something that I want to explain now that we're doing this series about how all the universal laws work together. And specifically right now, we are talking about how to change what you expect out of your life. So this is really important. When it comes to changing what you expect, it's changing your mindset, changing your subconscious mind, and changing that ego mind to switch on to a more positive outlook, right? And so when you see other people manifesting the things that you want to manifest, you have to know how to handle it. So birds before land, it said when people are flying in an airplane and they're going inland, they're almost to their destination, they will start to see birds out of the window. So when you're on your flight and you see birds out of the window, then you know that you're going to be landing soon because birds don't go too far away from land. So that's where the initial saying came from, is seeing birds before you get to the land. So Neville Goddard started to use this terminology when it came to your manifestations, because oftentimes the universe will send you signs of your manifestation coming. So you'll start to see, if you want to get a promotion at your job, all your coworkers start to get promoted. Your neighbor will be talking about they got a promotion coming up. Your sister's cousin, friend's brother will talk about he has a promotion coming up at his job. And you might be like, well, I'm the one trying to purposely manifest a promotion. I want a promotion. And you'll notice that everybody's coming to tell you about their promotion. You might want a brand new car. You'll notice that you'll start to see this car everywhere. The TV commercials will play nothing but about this car. You'll see the color of the car you want everywhere. And a lot of times, most people will think, why is this even happening to me? Why am I seeing this so much? And this is something that I want in my life. This is something I want tangible, like I want it parked in the garage. Why am I seeing it everywhere? Neville Goddard said that this is a sign. This is the universe pulling that towards you. And what happens is, the reason you notice it, those same cars might have been everywhere. People may have been getting promotions all the time. People may have been getting married and whatever else you want to manifest into your life. But since you want it, that's your reticular activating system saying, oh, that's important to us. Notice that. Notice that. Notice that. That's important to us. So what your reticular activating system does is we have 60 to 70,000 thoughts in a day, right? And so what your reticular activating system does for you is it filters out the thoughts that you don't need, all right? Okay, so it filters out the junk mostly from the good, and it tries to bring your attention to things that you do need, okay? So it's fighting against that ego mind, really, and it's trying to filter out any crap, okay? That's why if you're out and about, you'll notice the car that you want more. The universe itself, God is really trying to shine a light on those things so that you can say, oh my goodness, that is coming to me. That must be coming to me soon. So quick story, yes, just yesterday, I was out in the pool with Violet. I'm relaxing, you know, and I heard a motorcycle. I want a motorcycle. So the second time I heard it, I thought to myself, I must be getting a motorcycle soon because I keep hearing these motorcycles in my neighborhood. Now, those motorcycles are always probably zooming up and down the street in my neighborhood. They must be, because they must live around here, right? Or maybe that person went to the store and came back. I don't know. But nevertheless, I heard that twice and I thought, oh, that must be coming my way. Well, later on, I was watching Advice with Mel, and she was doing an interview of someone who just recently got a motorcycle. That's something she always dreamed of and she always wanted. And so that sparked my interest. And I'm like, oh my God, I love this lady. You know, I mean, I loved everything she was saying, but nevertheless, that's how the universe works. It works in synchronicity. So when you are changing, when you're starting to change what you expect out of your life, your reticular activating system, once you start getting it trained, it will start to filter out those things and it will start pointing you more towards your manifestations to notice when people are manifesting what you want. That's your time to rejoice. That's your time to be like, yes, this is really happening. I'm seeing the signs right in front of me. So that is not a time to get jealous. That is a time to be excited. That is a time to say, oh my goodness, like this is coming to me even faster. So that's how I've started to change what I expect out of life, because I learned that Neville Goddard teaching, birds before land. It doesn't mean a bad thing. It's not saying, oh my God, everybody is worthy but you. You know, it doesn't mean that you are not getting what you want. And here I'm gonna tease you with your coworker getting promoted and you're never gonna get promoted. It doesn't mean that. So I want you guys to celebrate those small wins. Like to me now is a manifestation. It's a small manifestation that says this is possible for you. People in your neighborhood get motorcycles. Whatever you want to say to yourself and however you want to word it, it's important that you filter out the jealousy. It's important that you start to really change your mindset when it comes to seeing these birds before land, because now you're seeing birds and you're thinking, why does Sally get to, I always say Sally, but why does Sally get to get promoted? And I'm the one working so hard. I deserve it more than her, blah, blah, blah. You're pushing your manifestation further and further away with that type of attitude. If you congratulate Sally and really feel grateful for the fact that she got promoted, then you bring promotion closer and closer to you. So do you see how that works? You keep your heart and mind positive. Remember to keep expecting your manifestations, no matter what you see, no matter what other manifestations you might see out there. I want you to use these small birds before land. I want you to use them as confirmation. Use them as motivation and encouragement to keep working towards what you're working towards, because those synchronicities do not happen on accident. You think this earth is spinning in perfect proximity to other planets and there's things that are accidents in this universe? No, it's not likely, okay? So remember that when you see these birds before land. I really hope you guys got some good motivation out of this video. I want you guys to go forward knowing that you are worthy. You are already worthy. There's nothing you have to do to be worthy. All you have to do is accept it. I love you all for no reason at all, and I'll see you next time.